Okay, we are here at the Premier Care because I have a very high blood. 154 over 121. So honey, what?
You have, relative to your normal baseline blood pressure, you have had high blood pressure, and that could be due to pulmonary hypertension or nephropathy, one of the two. So I probably want to check your lungs and your kidney function.
Yeah, because I noticed it's some kind that my lungs been congested for almost 4 months, and it's like on and off. And then last night I checked my blood and it's 154 over 86, and then I feel my here it's aching, my head is aching, my tangkogo is aching. I don't know what is that in English, but you know, I am dizzy. So at the symptoms of coronavirus, because the coronavirus is already here in America, and we've been into hospital many times already, and Asian store many times, and obviously we went to Walmart many times. So it's some kind that is scary. Most of the time I am a guardian and he is a patient, but this time I am a patient because I'm tawag ba yun? Di ba ako? Baka may coronavirus ako. So
results.
So now my doctor said that I need to have an X-ray and heart and EKG, and I need to draw the blood because my blood is not normal. Thus, she said that my sinus is swollen. So let's see what will happen. What is the result? We are going back to the doctor again. My allergy become worse, and my congestion is still there, and let's see what happened. Ayan, wide awake po ako ngayon kasi kaninang alas 4 ay tinurukan ako ng aking doktor ng corticosteroid dahil sa aking allergy, kasi po 3 days na po yung aking allergy, hindi po talagang tumigil, non-stop sneezing, tapos yung luha po parang gripo na talaga, na nakapikit na lang ako, hindi ko na maidilat yung aking mga mata. So nung first po namin nag-visit doon sa aking doktor, ang sabi ng aking doktor, wala ho akong allergy that time, pero nararamdaman ko na parang masikip yung aking dito, parang namamaga, parang yung ulo ko talaga masakit. Lagi pa ako nahihilo, nauuhaw, yung lungs ko po ay congested, tapos yung boses ko po ay nawawala. Tapos ngayon, sabi ko sa asawa ko, ka, baka may coronavirus na ako. Ang good thing, nung isang araw tumawag yung aking doctor at sinabi na lahat po ng aking laboratory ay come back negative. Pero kanina po bumalik po kami ng urgent care kasi hindi na ako makahinga, hindi na ako makadilat. Ayan, medyo okay na po ako ngayon. 2 days, 2 nights, walang tulog dahil doon sa corticosteroid na binigay sa akin ng doctor ko. Pero hindi ko po alam kung ano talagang meron ako ngayon kasi yung aking laboratory po ay nag-come back negative. Lahat po ay negative. Healthy naman kung tutuusin, wala namang problema, kaso lang hindi ko alam kung bakit. Ngayon, babalik na naman kami ng doktor kasi i-test kung, kasi 'di ba, yung coronavirus na andito na ngayon sa amin, sa Tulsa. So medyo nakakatakot siya. So babalik na naman kami ngayon doon. Grabe, nangabuang ang mga tao. Overacting kayo. Wala na, naubusan na kami ng pagkain dito.